It's time for a struggle challenge. Let's see what you got for me today. Here we go. I don't dare turn on my stove or oven because it makes the entire apartment too hot. Then I'm melting for the rest of the night. Can you give me some ideas for what I can cook in a microwave in 30 minutes or less besides frozen dinners? Listen, I'll try my very, very best. Why don't we take a look and see what you've got? Wow, cool. So we got some tomatoes here, onion, tortillas, that's always a good thing. And this looks like ground beef. I'm definitely feeling the heat in here. I feel like we've got some really good starting ingredients. Not entirely sure what I'm gonna make yet, but I think if we head over to that pantry and that fridge, we can get a more complete picture. Enchilada sauce. I see some refried beans. What do we got in here? Sour cream. We got a jalapeno. All right. We got cheese. We got cilantro. We got limes. So, definitely gonna go in a Mexican-inspired direction right now. Not making anything traditional, but I got a lot of really good ingredients here that I feel like I could make something tasty with in a microwave. Let's get started. We've got a nice, wide, microwavable plate here, which means maximum surface area for our beef, which is one of the keys to cooking with a microwave. I'm just gonna try to break this up. All right. Let's season it up real good. I'm gonna give it some salt. We'll hit it with some pepper and some cumin. Get some spice. You know what? Why don't we do cumin and some cayenne pepper? Yeah, I like that idea. Nice. Give that another little mix here. I'm gonna create a little hole. There's gonna be some water that pools for sure. So let's just create some pockets. Going in. All right, 5 minutes. Cool. Let's start prepping our other ingredients while this is going. Definitely want some lime wedges. Go 1, 2. Cilantro, done. All right, this is good. I like all the liquid that came out because now we are like braising the beef. So I'm breaking it up a little bit, but it's drying out in some areas. So I think we should add a little more liquid. We've got this enchilada sauce. It's a perfect time to start using it. All right, this is great. This is like halfway cooked and my kitchen is no hotter than we started. I'm gonna go 3 minutes. Cheese, gotta put the cheese. So let's grate the cheese now, all right? Adding the enchilada sauce was definitely a smart move. Let's make this happen. I got a plate, tortilla, grab some beef, put it in a nice line like this. Got some onion and tomato, and I'll put one jalapeno right in the middle. So there we are. We have one rolled up, all right? Got beef, tomatoes come in, a little bit of onion, jalapenos, roll that up nice and tight. Cheese, sauce, and more cheese. A lot more cheese. Excellent. Let's get this in. You know, sometimes I want to have a hearty meal on a hot day, but I don't want to heat up the kitchen. The microwave is the perfect solution for this quandary. Yes, this looks very good. I'm super into it. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hit it with a couple dollops of sour cream on top like that. Then just hit it with some cilantro all around like this. And I'm gonna serve this with a lime, but I'm also gonna squeeze some lime over top. Gotta get some brightness on there. So looking at this right here, I mean, the first thing I notice is we have inconsistently melted cheese, thanks to the microwave. And you know, there's liquids kind of coming out everywhere. So it looks a little extra sloppy, but it does look appetizing. And for that, I give it a 7.5 on looks. Now we have to taste it. I'm gonna come right into the middle, right where that jalapeno is. All the flavors that I expect to be there are there. The only thing that's missing is the texture of the tortilla being baked. Really, that's it. It's spicy, it's meaty, it's juicy, got the cooling sour cream. I'm just missing a little more texture from that tortilla. I don't even mind the mismelted cheese, you know? Honestly, it's a 9.5 on flavor. 9.5 plus 7.5, 17, which is an 85, which is a solid B. This is a great combination of ingredients. Forget the fact that it's made in a microwave. Flavors are great. But there's no shame in not wanting to heat up your whole kitchen on a super hot day, so turn to the power of the microwave. Thank you for this challenge. Now I gotta eat my enchiladas.